At the outset, I wish to express our deep appreciation to you, Mr. Steiner, for your leadership over the past 8 years. Your tenure has been marked by tireless efforts to make the UN Development Programme more agile, responsive, and results-driven. India warmly acknowledges your contributions to the United Nations development system and wishes you continued success in your future endeavours. Mr. President, the UNDP, as a central pillar of the UN development system, has played a vital role in advancing inclusive, sustainable development and building resilience in our countries. UNDP's partnership with India has demonstrated the value of innovation, scale, and South-South cooperation. India's SDG journey, from creating SDG India Index to scaling up SDG coordination centers across states, has been ably supported by UNDP. This has enabled a shift from data collection to data-driven governance and from coordination to informed implementation. In health, through the development of CoWIN, the digital backbone of our national COVID-19 vaccine drive, and now UWIN, India's digital platform for routine immunization, have dramatically improved services for 97.2 million people. UNDP's support in India's journey of digitalization of public goods is appreciated and applauded. Mr. President, we underscore the importance of predictable and flexible core resources for UNDP. We are happy to note that India is among the top 10 countries to have increased their contribution to UNDP's regular resources in 2024, reflecting our continued commitment to the UN development system. India welcomes the UNDP strategic plan with its focus on effective governance, prosperity for all, a healthy planet, and resilience to crisis, driven by the accelerators of digital and AI transformation, gender equality, and sustainable finance. These priorities are timely and aligned with India's own priorities. In closing, Mr. Steiner, we thank you once again for your leadership and commitment. India remains a strong partner of the UNDP and the broader UN development system in the true spirit of solidarity and cooperation. I thank you.